Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power, unplug the fridge, and wait 10 to 15 minutes to let capacitors relax. This prevents shocks. Next, remove the access panel at the compressor base and use a photo to document wire positions. This saves time when reconnecting. Use gloves and eye protection and set tools close: multimeter, needle nose pliers, and the new relay. Once done, test continuity on the relay pins so you know the part is actually faulty before you disturb more components. You now remove the faulty relay by gently releasing the retaining clip and pulling the connector straight off. Do not pry on the wires. Once free, compare the old relay to the new one. Pin layout, voltage, and model markings must match so the compressor starts properly. Install the replacement by pushing it onto the compressor terminals until it seats snugly, then reattach any clip or housing. After seating, double-check each connection with your photo so polarity and positions are correct. You finish by replacing the access panel and restoring power. Listen closely. Most compressors should kick in within 20 to 45 seconds. If it starts, monitor for a few minutes for stable operation and cooling. If you can, measure current draw and compare to the compressor nameplate. If the compressor does not start, make sure the relay is seated correctly. If still stubborn, swap in a known good relay or inspect the start capacitor and overload protector. These are common companions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.